Hello and welcome back to another session of Pistonics. It's Byron speaking and we are still working on the catchit game. In the previous session we have managed to make it work so that we can hit these white ones and they will hide, kind of attempt to hide the existing values, but then they don't come back and weird things happen and yeah, whatever. And we want to figure out what's going on here, and I think I have it already because we are advancing the transitions and we are kind of working with the fact that, okay, if we are not in the start transition, then this will not work, but then we will actually advance it. But here, if we are at start transition and it's the inverted one, then we reverse it, that's fine. But we will not continue advancing this unless we advance at least once here. So we have to advance here just to get it off the start frame here. Oh, wait. I have to revise my logic. So if we put this to finished, and the direction is still from to, so that's the transition from opaque to invisible. Then we reverse it. And then we have to advance it to next time hit this in progress state. Because this means next time we are kind of in starting state and then we reverse stuff around. Okay, let's think about that as well. Again. So if we are finished and in from to, then we reverse. If we are finished in to from, actually, in any case, we wanna reverse, huh? It's just that we have to advance if we are to from. Yeah. And it's from to, then we reverse. Then our state will actually be start. So if we reverse ourselves, the finished ones are the ones that are in the starting location. And then we want to advance this to allow further advancing this basically in the next updates. So then it will be in progress. We get to the finished one again. And the point is that the advancing is something, if we are finished, we want to reverse in all the cases. Oops. But if the direction is from to, we want to advance. Oh no, wait. Sorry. Whoa. The direction. If you reverse the direction, changes. Damn it. So we should probably not do this here. Let's keep a backup of this. T direction clone now. So we reverse, and if we were in from to mode, then we advance. So this is more like it. So then we are in to from mode, we are in progress, we keep going. Then at some point we are finished again, then we reverse, but our mode will be to from. And we are back to original, then this means we are at starting location. And if we see such a state, if we are start and we are to from, then we reverse to be from to again and basically back in the starting location. Yeah. So that's the transition here. From finish to start, and then we go in reverse. And this is the transition from reverse to the normal one again. But as we don't advance, we don't keep going. I think this is the logic that we would need, but we shall see. I also up the probability here to get white ones. Oh, what the heck is going on? So now it doesn't really seem to advance, damn it. Yeah, after all, this is what the session should be about, huh? Showing how this works or not. I guess it would be a good thing to print that state here, just to see how this value is developing. This is once per frame, so maybe we want to reduce the frame rate to, I don't know, something else. 20. I think we should have a variable for this. Yeah. So that's 20 per second, still enough printouts. And also should show us that this thing generally works the same no matter with how many frame rates. Oh, yeah. So the speed is still similar. Look, 0.71. It only advances once when you hit it. So this advancement here just doesn't work at all. Because we advance it once. What the heck? Yeah, so this is why. So if that's correct, then in theory we should be able to keep hitting these and then kind of slowly hide it, unhide it again. No, that's 0 now. And yeah, because the advancement here is gated, so that this will only happen in the from to case. Yeah, fuck, so we don't get here. The in progress state is just not happening. Or the advancement isn't happening. Print line. Let's print the delta time and say, well, we are advancing this because it looks like it's not happening. And I would wonder why. Here we go. So are we advancing? No. We are totally not advancing. Okay. Thank you very much. I've seen enough. What? Okay, so let's print the transition state then. Maybe this is computed incorrectly. Maybe there is a problem. Even though I have a unit test for this, so no, there shouldn't be a problem. Start to finish, finish to start. Ah, it's greater or equal. This greater or equal stuff is totally wrong. Yeah. Well, even though So V1, yeah, I mean, actually that shouldn't be too wrong, but I have the feeling it is nonetheless. But we test this here, and here things seem to work, right? And yes, it does. So after so we have finished. After the reverse, we test it. We might even reverse it one more time. We might reverse it again. And then we know that it is start again. But maybe this doesn't work for 1 and 0 that we have here. Maybe that's it. Could be that this is related to this. But I wonder why we don't get the in progress state. Okay. Did I print that state? I think I did. So that's new. We didn't see that yet. So show me. Advance. Oh, now it's getting into advancement here? What? Why does it advance? And why is it only 0.5? Oh. Is that 20 frames, 0.5? Maybe. Oh, actually, I think I'm printing the wrong thing here, huh? Yeah, totally. Totally. I actually want to print the state. It's interesting how choppy it looks, and it looks slow, even though in fact it's made like this, but it's good actually. So we are start now, that's good. We are still at start. See? And this doesn't work. Because current is 0.4. Jesus, come on, we are not at start. Now we are 0. Yeah, okay, so clearly let's also get the direction. I think this inversion logic could work, but the state logic just doesn't. So let's look at it. We get the state. Maybe I should just, not try to be efficient here and say, well, if current, this is larger or equal then, huh? So if 2 is greater than from, if 2 greater from, then if self, come on, current is greater or equal to, then we are finished. And elif self or else, no, smaller or equal from, in any other case we are in progress. I think this is what you want here. Bam, 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 bam. So that's more like it. So here we are finished. If self current smaller or equal to from, then we are in starting location. Otherwise it's kind of the opposite way. If we are smaller or equal or greater or equal. So that could be more like it, huh? Let's see. Ugh. Mismatch types. True. So if we do this and this would work, huh? One, 7, 4. That's interesting. We have because it's an elif here. This is why. We want an else here to make this work. Yeah. So that we are exhaustive and then each branch has the same return value. And we are good. So let's see. Give me a white one. White one. Wow, this guy is fast. Here's a white one. Yeah. Cool. So now it works. Bang, 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 bang. Which is cool. And if you hit it multiple times, it doesn't matter. It will finish its transition. And I think it's evenly enough the way we have it right now. Cool. So let's get rid of all these print line thingies. I think here we have another one. Ugh, print line. Good. And 60 FPS, please. Thank you. Cool. And we could even have other transitions that function similarly. And we are fine. Oh. Ooh. Yeah, I'm laughing and the game is actually killing me. Good, so I guess we can set the the obstacle creation thing back to its original probability, 0.94, and then live with that for a while. But yeah, that's already pretty cool. 15 minutes in. Yeah, basically we have implemented the game so far, but what we don't have, or the original JavaScript game, but what we don't have is forces, because you can repel. You can repel these balls, and I think what we should have is a kind of duration where it should hold, right? Oh, and the kernel is busy, so it's getting too hot again. What you see here is that probably the recording will soon get crazy. So we don't even have enough computation power to run the game anymore. Anything that runs on the graphics card, I think, is then put onto the CPU, which drives the kernel crazy and kills your sound and whatnot. So maybe the recording that you have that I have right now is already corrupted and sound will abort and whatnot. So that could very well be. Damn it. Yeah. It's too hot. Too hot already. What temperature do we have here, by the way? 28 degrees. Well, I think it's more here. Well, thanks. Cool. Oh. Yeah. I think I should call this a session, because my computer is indeed killing itself right now. And I have to be very, very careful. So let's prepare that commit and give it some rest. I think this will be one of the last sessions I've made, because sound probably is already dead. New obstacle, advanced obstacles. Oh, I didn't commit for quite a while. Feet, transitions. Transition from opaque to invisible. Actually, it's lip, and then this makes drawing balls in the, well, obstacles in the correct color super easy. Also, it's easy to handle our transitions. Yeah, so I like it. Did some refactoring to make the update call a bit easier to understand. Cool. So there's lots of more stuff to come. Thanks for watching and have a great day.